Good morning this Thursday, the 20th of October. I'm Grady Wolf, a market analyst with Bell Direct. Overseas, the US rally came to an end on Wednesday as Treasury yields rose to multi-year highs amid concerns the Federal Reserve will remain hawkish for months to come, which in turn raises the risk of a recession. The market's sell-off dampened strong earnings reports from Netflix and United Airlines as an analyst at Morgan Stanley says earnings forecasts for this reporting season had been cut to the bone, so beating forecasts wouldn't be hard as companies had already factored in rising interest rates and other impacts into outlook for the reporting season. The Dow Jones Industrials Index fell 0.33%, the tech-heavy Nasdaq dropped 0.85%, and the S&P 500 closed the midweek session down 0.67%. Over in Europe and the UK, the four-day rally also ended after UK inflation data for September rose again to 10.1% after that unexpected decline in August. Food, energy and transport costs drove the rise in inflation, with the country's cost of living continuing to hit residents and businesses hard, especially before the winter months. The increase in inflation enhanced investor fears of a recession in the region, as further interest rate hikes are expected to cool the rising inflation. The FTSE 100 fell 0.17%, Germany's DAX lost 0.19%, and the French CAC closed the midweek session 0.43% lower. Ahead of the local trading session here in Australia, the SPI futures are anticipating the ASX to follow that global sell-off by opening at 0.7% lower at the opening bell this morning. On the commodities front, Brent crude oil has rebounded from recent day declines to trade 2.67% higher at $92.43 a barrel. Iron ore is trading flat at $95 a tonne, and gold is trading 1.44% lower at $1,629 an ounce. The Australian dollar has slightly strengthened to 63.08 US cents, 55.17 British pence, 93.98 Japanese yen, and 1 New Zealand dollar and 11 cents. Taking a look at economic data out today, Australia's unemployment rate for September will be released at 10:30 a.m. Australian Eastern Daylight Time, with the market expecting a decline to 3.4% for September from 3.5% in August. And now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration this Thursday. Trading Central has identified a bullish signal on Chalice Mining following the formation of a pattern over a period of 46 days, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may rise from the close of $4.17 to the range of $4.95 to $5.15, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And Trading Central has also identified a bullish signal on Azure Minerals following the formation of a pattern over a 92-day period, which is roughly the same amount of time. The share price may also rise from the close of 29 cents to the range of 40 cents to 42 cents, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all for this morning. I'm Grady Wolf with Bell Direct. Have a wonderful day and happy investing.